Hello guys, welcome to the Azio Howl once again. So this one product, so there are total about 6 products, and this product I've just removed it because I was so curious to know what was inside this. So the first product that I ordered was a sweater top. I've been ordering a lot of sweater tops. The last time also I had ordered too many sweater tops, but I cannot just help it. These are all going to be my winter collections, but of course you can wear it in the night. The texture is so soft, it's coming out on camera. If you can see, it's like so soft, it's really good. It is from the brand FIG. So Agio has a lot of offers. This I didn't pay 6.99, I would have paid just 3.23 or something. You can see the texture. This is like a baby pink top. It's like a proper baby pink top with ribbed hems. So this is like a sweater top. It's too good. The first product is this. It's really good. Okay, so the next product, let's see. Okay, this is a top. So I also ordered a few summer tops because obviously you cannot wear a sweater top in the morning. Oh wow, look at the color. This, trust me guys, I just paid very less for this. I don't know the price. The price 6.99 again, but I just paid some 120 or something. Look at the color guys. It's like floral. Actually, I bought this to wear it at home, but I'm not going to wear it at home. I'm going to wear it outside. The top texture and the color is just amazing. This top is like really good. So it has extended sleeves, and of course the beautiful floral pattern, if you can see, and a round neckline, and behind it is like a solid color. So second is the floral top that I ordered. Let's move on to the third one. I hope I'm not cutting that. Oh, sorry. Okay, so the third product that I ordered. So this Agio, they always have so many offers. You should always check for something that gives you budget worth the money. So the third is a jewelry that I ordered. I really love the blue color. So just imagine, just 1 minute. Just imagine the necklace on this top, guys. It will look so amazing. So this is from the brand Indie. These days I love shopping from Agio. I don't know for what, because they have really good offers. For this I just paid 200 or something. Just 206. I'll put all the links and the description and the price along with the price in the description section. Okay, this one thing is getting stuck. Okay, so see the color, it is like blue, it's like royal blue, so nice. Can see the color now. So I'll be wearing it on this top and see the combination, it will look awesome. And the packaging is also very good, like you can store it the same way. You can store it the same way in your wardrobe. So this is the third product that I ordered. Moving on to the fourth one. Okay, so this top, I was waiting for the size since a long time, And finally I got the size on this particular top t-shirt. It's for proper housewear, like summer collection, summer top. And the texture is really good. It has again floral print. It is like a graphic print, and it's from the brand DNMX. They come up with really good t-shirts, and I really like this color. So I was waiting for the size actually. So when I got the size, I immediately ordered. And for this I've just paid like maybe 125 or something. So this is the fourth product. It's really nice. It is at pink coral color. It's amazing. Okay, so this is the, so far so good. Okay, we are left with only two products now. Okay, so the next is, as I told you that I wanted to buy few summer tops as well, and I was looking for a white color. Okay, I don't know from where do I open this. I don't want to spoil the cover. You can use it later for something. So this is how it is. It is like a cotton. Oh wow! It's going to be very very comfortable. It's like cotton. It's like the cloth is cotton, and you can see the hands. These are smoked hands and round neck, and it's pretty good. So I've become a fan of these floral prints. It will look amazing on maybe a black jeans or something like that. And it's in really good material. I'm surprised for the material actually, because for all these tops I haven't paid more than 400 each. For this I have maybe paid 125, 175. I'll check the prices and give it down below. And this is again from the brand FIG. So I'm very happy with this top. It's going to be very comfortable, especially for summer where you need to wear light colors. So this is it. This is very nice, and I'm very looking forward to wearing all these tops. So this is the fourth one. Let's move on to the fifth one. Moving on to the sixth one, guys. Okay. So I just showed you the pink sweater top, right? So this is exactly the same in black color, and let me tell you, the fabric is like, it's like so soft. You can see the way it is getting curled in my hand. It's like amazing. For the price that I've paid, I'm like super happy, guys. You can wear it on a skirt or palazzos, or just under the jeans. It's very nice. It's like black, matte black color, a round neckline. See, I'm gonna show you properly how the color is. It's like so soft, guys. I'm like become a fan of these. So I'm going to show you one thing. So even in the hand, it's not like it's like loose or something. These are ribbed hands, so it look very good. So this is our last product. I'll be putting all the links in the description. You can, if you like it, you can go ahead and buy them. And again, I didn't pay $6.99. I've just paid like $3.23 or something, and give with the prices. And I cannot wait to wear these tops. And so I'm gonna style the neck piece also in this. It look amazing. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Do like and subscribe.